just a little disclaimer that I filmed this pack with me before this whole coronavirus outbreak thing. I've had these clips on my camera for probably about a month now, and I just got around to editing it and posting it. So do not freaking comment coming for me saying how I shouldn't be traveling with the coronavirus, because this was like literally last month, okay?
Hello, my little YouTube family. It has been way too long. I don't know why every time I get in front of the camera I'm so extremely awkward. Like, I'm sorry that you watch this. I'm never gonna get over the awkwardness of filming intros or being in front of the camera. I talk to myself day and night, but the second that the camera turns on, I just blank out and I'm a completely different person. I don't know how people get over that. I don't know if that's just a me thing or what, but it really stresses me out because I walk around all day, even in public, talking to myself, but I can't sit here in my room by myself and talk to the camera. It's a problem. But I don't think filming intros are ever gonna get easier, so I'm just like not gonna take a lot of time to do this. But I just want to say thank you to my little YouTube family for helping me get over 100 subscribers. I know that's so small in comparison to other YouTubers who have like millions of subscribers, but everyone's gonna start somewhere, and it's really exciting. And I know I barely ever post anymore, but now that I'm like back on, I'm on a set schedule every day, I really want to take time and start filming more YouTube videos because it's just fun for me, and editing videos is very therapeutic, and I love watching YouTube videos. I love watching other people's stuff, so I really want to start doing it again. And I appreciate everyone who has joined and helped me grow my little YouTube channel, so thank you guys. But anyways, so this video is going to be pack with me because I love watching other people's pack with me's. I love seeing their cute suitcases. I love seeing what they pack. I love seeing how they pack, how they organize their suitcase, and like how they like prepare for a trip. So I really wanted to do one of these because I never travel. But tomorrow, so Monday through Friday, I will be in New Orleans for work, which anyways, yeah, I'll be in New Orleans for work, so I'm gonna be there for a week, and my flight leaves at, I want to say like 7:30ish tomorrow, and it's already almost 9 o'clock. It was my goal to be finished packing and be in bed by 8 o'clock, so that way I could wake up early and get to the airport, because I'm that person who I have to be super early for stuff because I get super stressed out. So I don't know why I'm sitting here talking like I should be able to multitask, but I can't. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm just gonna start packing and then I'll talk. Okay, well, this is my cute little suitcase. This is Shay Mitchell's like line or whatever. It's like the base travel. I just got the carry-on because I mean, I'm flying for work and I don't really want to pay to check a bag, so it's going to be interesting. It's going to be really interesting to see how everything fits in this. I am such an overpacker, and I bring all my work clothes. I had to bring comfy clothes. I'm like planning on actually going out and doing stuff, so I need to bring cute outfits for that, even though I feel like I'm going to end up not doing anything, but I have to like be prepared just in case. I had to bring like all my makeup, my laptop, all that jazz. So let's see how this is gonna fit. I literally have like 6 pairs of shoes, and like I just don't know how this is gonna go. I mean, I don't need 6 pairs of shoes, but I do because I have to bring my ugly work clothes and I need cute stuff for going out. So this is a dilemma because I don't even think like these shoes are gonna fit in this suitcase. Like, even just if I was just packing shoes, I don't think that they would fit. I don't even know what the temperature is in Louisiana, so I probably should look that up before I throw stuff in my suitcase. Well, it's supposed to rain 2 days that I'm there, so that's great. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out my work stuff. I like work for equipment rental place, so like we don't have to dress like very businessy, but So like I have like my ugly ass like work shirts and stuff, and I'm just gonna bring, I think I'm just gonna bring 3 pairs of work pants, because like I can wear like my black Spanx another day, and then I'll probably like wear one of these another day too. Just trying to figure out what shirts I should bring, because I have these 2 work tops, and then I have my work jacket, and then I have this sweatshirt. So I don't think that I need to bring 3 sweaters. I think I'll put this gray one back because this is like more bulky. All right, so my work stuff already takes up like basically half the suitcase, and I still have this one here. I have to leave it on top though, because I'm gonna have to change when I land, because I have to go straight there. So next, I feel like next I should do like next I'll do my cute outfits. Okay, so these are all like my cute clothes, and like if I wear these when I'm there, I'll probably do like a try on. But I have this dress with like this white denim jacket. I have this black denim jumpsuit. I have just this zebra top. I've got this leopard jacket, white tube top, and then this pair of jeans. So those are all like my fun clothes. But I think I could probably eliminate one, because I don't think, so I just need for, let's see, I just need for Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. So I just need 4 outfits, and like probably only 3, because probably only need 3, because I'm sure one night I'm not gonna feel like doing anything. I don't know, we'll try to make it fit and see what happens. Okay, it's getting so full, so I packed like a pair of PJs. I did like 3 t-shirts. I got my bras, underwear. I packed a bathing suit because there's a hot tub there. And I feel like that's all the clothes I need. I put like a belt in there and a hat in there. I feel like that's all the clothes I need, but I'm getting really stressed because I feel like I'm forgetting something. But I guess now we'll try to put the shoes in, and then I can do like my makeup and stuff on top of that, and toiletries. I guess let's try. Look how ugly my work boots are. Like literally when I wear these, I feel like I'm going in the Civil War. Like I feel like I'm fighting in the Civil War. Like when I used to do reenactments with my grandparents when I was a kid, yes, that was a thing. These are the kind of shoes that we wore. Good old steel toe boots. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I need to bring the white and black, because if I wear the black jumpsuit, I need to wear the white one so I don't look soft, and with that little dress too. But I need the black ones for my like cheetah jacket outfit, so I have to bring both of them. Y'all, my suitcase is not gonna shut. Look at my brand new Doc Martens, since my dog chewed up my other ones. They're so like shiny. I'll like insert a video of the Doc Martens. He literally ate the entire shoe. Yeah, he literally ate the entire shoe. I couldn't find the rest of it anywhere, and he hasn't pooped it out, so I just am very concerned as to what happened to it. But this man ate the entire shoe. The only thing left was like literally the platform. So I had to buy a new pair. That's really great. And I bet they're gonna hurt my feet terribly. All right, so this is what my carry-on is looking like. I'm scared to close it. I need to put all my toiletries and stuff in too. So I feel like whenever I was doing like the pack with me, I didn't really do a good job at explaining like what I was bringing. So I'm gonna like still do a pack with me, but I'm gonna insert clips from now into that pack with me, more explaining like what all I brought. So I just have like a couple bags with like my toiletries and stuff in them. They've got like dry shampoo, mouthwash, shampoo, body wash, makeup remover, hair stuff, etc. I've got like my makeup bag. I've got all like my medicines and like essential oils and stuff in there. I've got like a little bag with like wipes and like a mask and stuff for like on the plane to like wipe down everything. So yeah, that's all that. I've got like travel, like this is all like travel size stuff, so like travel size makeup wipes and all that jazz. I've got a little bag with my earrings and some mini perfumes and hair ties in there. Okay, so I never showed y'all what I did, but when I got in bed the other night when I was packing, I was watching YouTube hacks. And so what I did was I put my shoes on the bottom and put clothes inside of them to make more room. I have like my bras and underwear and stuff in there. So yeah, I have a couple more things I need to put in, but it's a huge like space saving tip. So I'm just gonna try to stuff my little liquids in this little pouch here. Hopefully they don't explode.
And I was just grateful to be alive, grateful to have another day to wake up. I was also grateful to be with this woman next to me. You know, we had such a wonderful wedding. I had such good memories to sort of draw from. You know, and I had hope that, you know, once I got out, that I would really take advantage of my situation and sort of strive for a comeback. Wow.
I'm literally sweating trying to do this.
So, is it hard to look back at those episodes and see that different version of yourself?
Holy shit. Okay.
Okay, well, I don't know what happened to the clip of me like ending that pack with me or showing what I had in my duffel bag, but basically the stuff I had in my duffel bag was just like my tech stuff, like both my laptops, camera, chargers, and like jackets and stuff that didn't fit in my actual suitcase. So that was that. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because I also filmed a little bit of a travel with me that I'm going to be posting sometime soon. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.